everyone, so we are from Group 2 and today we will talk about aircraft with the structure in early aircraft design. So in the early years of aviation, wood was the main material that people used to build aircraft structure. It is because it lightweight, flexible, easy to shape and also had good strength to weight ratio. And the most common woods that people usually use was spruce, ash and birch. Aircraft parts such as wings, fuselage, frames, and propeller were made from solid or laminated woods, and also wood surfaces were often covered with fabric to make them smooth and also have smoother aerodynamics. So to the next slide, I will talk about huge helpful Hercules, also known as Spruce Goose. It was the largest wooden airplane ever built, and it mostly made from birchwood. It was strong, smooth, and lightweight. During the World War II, the metal was scarce. Its frame used laminated woods joined with glue instead of rivet. The plane have 3,020 foot wingspan, 8 engines, and also could carry heavy cargo. However, the plane only flew once in 1947 for about 26 seconds. But this plane was proof that wood could be used to build huge and powerful aircraft.
Here we can see the different wood species used in aircraft structures and their applications. Firstly, spruce, especially Sitka spruce, is the reference wood for aircraft. It has standard strength and works well for all purposes. Next, Douglas fir is stronger than spruce, but it can split easily and is harder to inspect. Then, noble fir is slightly stronger than spruce but weaker in shear strength. It can still replace spruce if shear isn't a concern. Next, western hemlock, also a bit stronger than spruce. However, its texture is less even and high quality trees from upland areas are preferred. Northern white pine has about 85 to 96% of spruce strength. It's easy to work with and razor sharp, but it's a larger size to replace spruce. Then, white cedar or pot or fort cedar is stronger than spruce, light and easy to handle, but it requires proper precaution if used. Lastly, yellow poplar is slightly weaker than spruce and less shock resistant. It's easy to work with, but not a good direct substitute unless such adjustments are made. Overall, these wood are chosen based on their strength, workability, and suitability for aircraft structures.
First, for the overview, wooden aircraft were built using a structural framework made of wood because it is very strong, lightweight, and easy to shape. The frame forms the fuselage and the wing, and then it will be covered with plywood or fabric to create a smooth aerodynamic surface. Next, for the main structural parts, the key wooden components are spars, ribs, stringers, and formers. First, spars carry the main wing loads. Next, ribs form the wing shape, and stringers strengthen the fuselage, and formers give the fuselage its shape and distribute the load. Next, wood forming methods. Plywood layers were glued with grains at 90 degrees for extra strength, while laminated strips allowed curved shape like wingtip. This method increased strength and reduced cracking while keep the aircraft lightweight. Next, joining and covering. Wood parts are bonded using adhesives such as casing glue, later replaced by stronger resorcinol and epoxy. High stress area used metal fitting, and the structure was covered with fabric and sealed with dope to tighten and protect it.
Wooden aircraft has a serious challenges. They absorb moisture, which lead to swelling, ripping, or root. They are also prone to damage from insects and fungi. Poor natural grain mating is inconsistent, which complicates quality control. It's inflammable, increasing the fire risk, and lower strength to the weight ratio limit use in a modern aircraft. Maintaining wooden aircraft take a precious and care. Regular inspection has spot rot, crack, or insect damage early. Protective coating like a varnish or aircraft dog to seal the wood from the moisture and the sunlight, but they must be reapplied over time. Storage should be dry, temperature cool to avoid stress. Repairs require skill and using scuff joints or mesh wood. And keeping detailed maintenance log is vital to ensure the aircraft stay airworthy.